Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I got for you guys today, I know I look kind of like, not dead, like washed out, but I don't have lipstick on. I don't have like mascara, eyeshadow, anything, because I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Colourpop mystery box. I've had this for a couple of months already. You guys already know, like I told you, life has been a little crazy. Okay, so I've had this for a couple of months. And apparently they're not doing them anymore, because I just checked on the website to like find out the price and stuff for you guys. But apparently they're not doing them anymore, or they're like at a specific season or something like that. I'm not really sure. But I definitely wanted to share with you guys what I got from the mystery box. I don't remember what I paid for it, sadly. Sorry about that, guys. This is the mystery box. So I didn't put a lot of stuff on my face. I do have foundation, concealer, and that type of stuff, but I didn't put like eyeshadow, mascara, anything like that, lipstick, because I wanted, or blush and stuff like that, because I wanted to see if any of that stuff came in the mystery box, and I would just try it on with you guys. Why not? I've been gone for way too long. All right, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. There's some stuff already on the top, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know what we got here. So I see we've got 2 cream gel liners, which I don't really use gel liners because, you know, but let's open this one up. This is very pretty. Look how cute that is. I definitely use these. Like, I'm not the type to use liners like eyeliner unless it's like on my waterline or on the top. It's like too difficult for me. But this color is absolutely beautiful. You couldn't even use that as lipstick, to be honest with you. This is in the color Jubilee. And then the other one that we got is in the color Boots. That's this one right here. Ooh, so pretty. Boots and Jubilee. Okay, so far so good. I'm liking that. We got a lippy stick. Good. This is called Soft Side. Their packaging is always so pretty. So this is what it looks like. I don't think I'm gonna like the color, to be honest with you, because this is not like my cup of tea. So that's the color right there. Okay, we got an ultra glossy lip. Oh, this is pretty. This is in the color Here's to You. All right. It's just like a topper. Right there. We got a mascara, Defining Mascara, which I'll probably leave the mascara out for a Mascara Monday. And then we've got a medium fluff brush. I love getting brushes. You guys already know that. Ooh, I like the color of the barrel. Very pretty. So this is what that looks like. This is nice for like highlight, I would say. So we got that. All right. Next thing comes in here, and this is a Super Shock Cheek and a Super Shock Shadow. So this one is in Birthday Wish. This is the shadow. Their Super Shock shadows are like so creamy. I love them. That's what it looks like. This is it right here. We're definitely going to go into that today, apparently. Very nice. And then the Super Shock Cheek is very pretty as well. This is in the color Drop Off a Hat. It's like an orangey. Ooh, look at that. Wow. I like this for a shadow, actually. Pretty. It's subtle, so that's good. All right, so we've got blush, we've got eyeshadow, guys. We have a brush. All right, and then we got another This is a pressed glitter. This is what it looks like. And this is in the color If You Know, You Know. That's cute. Okay. I most probably will not use this today, but that's very pretty. Very pretty. All right, we've got more stuff. I wanted to take everything out so that way I can decide what I'm gonna use. All right, so this is a pressed powder palette, and this is from the Animal Crossing collection. You know they have collections like every other day. This is it. And, ooh, these are nice purpley shades, which I like how purple shades look on brown eyes. So, very pretty. Let's swatch some of them. Well, let's swatch them all. There you go. Very beautiful. I like that. And then last but not least, we've got a shimmering dry oil. This is a body oil. Shake well, massage into skin using fingertips or buff into skin using brush. Apply liberally to highlight your highlights. So this is kind of like a highlight. Also, I guess. No, this is a body oil. So that's what it looks like. It says vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, all of that good stuff. And we got something watermelon, which I love. So this is the watermelon face milk. Balancing moisture booster. A refreshing drop of moisture to balance skin, formulated with watermelon seed oil, cucumber water, and aloe. This lightweight formula will replenish hydration for a healthier, softer complexion. Apply 2 to 3 drops into palms, warm between hands, and gently press into the skin. So pretty. I love anything watermelon, so I'm excited to try this out. I want to see if it smells. Oh, yes. Smells like watermelon. I love it. Okay. Let's move the box out of the way. Let's see what we're going to use today. Let's throw away the excess stuff. I'm just going to go into the Super Shock Shadow for the eyes. And I'm just going to use this all over the lid. And that will be that for the eyes. Yes. This might even be easier with the finger. Yep. All right. Really, really shimmery. It's really pretty. I don't know if you guys can pick that up there. It's very shimmery. I don't like this for all over the eye. I would probably use this like on top of another one or inner corner. But this is what we're working with right now. Maybe I should have put like one of those purples on the bottom from the palette, but whatever. I didn't want to go with the purple because it just doesn't match with what I'm wearing. All right, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of, well, actually, I'm gonna do some highlight, which there's no highlight here. So I'm gonna go ahead, no highlight came in the mystery box. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this highlight that I'm trying to pan. This is a rose gold highlighter from Hard Candy. I've been trying to pan it for a while. So I just go into like all the colors. Let's do a little bit of highlight here. And I'm using the brush that came in, the I used the brush that came in the mystery box. I don't know if you can see the highlight there. It's a subtle highlight. It's really pretty. I'm gonna go into the Super Shock Cheek, drop off a hat, the one that came in the mystery box, and I'm gonna apply that with this brush from Farrah. Okay, so it seems like it would be super pigmented, but it's really subtle, so you kind of have to like get in there, especially since it's like it's very creamy. This is a creamy thing. I know. Is it even going on there? Like, I can't tell. And I'm really dipping the brush in there. Like I can see it a little bit more now, but yeah, I can see it more now. There we go. It's a really pretty blush though. I like the color. I don't know how it's coming up on camera, but I like it. What I'm gonna do with the lips, which is like, I'm gonna take this gel liner and I'm gonna use that because in Jubilee, because I don't like the lippy stick that came in. No. I'm gonna use the gloss. Let's see. Obviously this liner is not for the lips, but you know. I'm going to be using the mascara in a Mascara Monday, so stay tuned for that one. And yeah, this is pretty much the look. After I do my Mascara Monday, I'll come right back to like show you the mascara. And I'll give you some final thoughts. But I'm going to go ahead and go film my Mascara Monday right now, so that way that can be done. You know, when you can do more than one video in a sitting, you have to take that. You have to take that. You know what I mean? Okay, guys, I'm back. Completed look. This is the completed look. I actually like how everything turned out. I like the Super Shock shadow. I like how the eyes turned out. It's the only thing I used on the eyes. I think it looks really, really pretty. So I liked that. I definitely like the Super Shock cheek. At first, I couldn't really like see it. I was like, what is this? But now, like, I don't know if you guys are picking it up well, but I can definitely see it. It's a very, very pretty, like, orangey, subtle color, but it's definitely really, really beautiful. I didn't like the lippy that came in here, so I decided to use this gel liner as my lipstick, as my lip color. This is in the color Jubilee, and I definitely love it. And I also topped it with the ultra glossy lip that came in the mystery box. So I definitely like the look. The mascara, as I told you guys, I was going to do a Mascara Monday, but I definitely really like what it does. This is the Act Natural Defining Mascara. I definitely liked what it did to my lashes. If you guys want to see more in detail, just watch my Mascara Monday. If it's not up already and you guys haven't watched it already, Mascara Monday is going to be up before this, I'm pretty sure. All right, so overall, I liked the mystery box. I am not like over the top happy, like, oh my God, it's the best mystery box ever. No, I don't feel like that. I definitely like the mascara. I like the gel liners. I used the brush with the highlight that I have on today. Gloss is okay. I liked, you know, like the shadow and the Super Shock cheek. If I remembered how much I paid for this mystery box, I'd be able to tell you if it's truly worth it. Oh yeah, and this palette is also really pretty. So it's an overall good mystery box. I just don't know exactly what to say because I don't remember what I paid for it. It's not in my order history. I couldn't find it on my PayPal. So I'm pretty sure that what I did was like a guest checkout or God knows. And that's why I can't find it or remember or anything like that. but that's besides the point. But overall, it's okay. It's nice. I like the look that I accomplished with it, even though, of course, there's no foundation or anything like that in it. But the products that came in, I like them. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think of this mystery box. Let me know if you guys have ever gotten a mystery box from Colourpop, because I don't see them on their website anymore. I don't know if they're still doing them. I have no idea what the costs are. I don't remember if it was more than one, because guys, literally, oh my God, guys, I've had this box since September. I thought it was literally like December or something like that. I've had it since September. So I don't even remember what it cost. If there were more than one, I have no idea. Let me know if you guys have ever gotten one and what you guys thought of it and all of that good stuff. All right, my love. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have some other unboxings that I have to do for you guys. And that's it. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves.